Good morning. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2026. I'm here at Port 32 Marina, and this is a waterline video for Shanthi. Normally around this time of year, when the growth starts to accelerate, we like to get a waterline video just to where all of our clients see how their waterline looks prior to the growth starting. And then within about a week and a half, you'll definitely expect to see the growth showing on the waterline. Now with Shanthi, the waterline doesn't go above where the water rests on the boat. So that also increases the growth. It increases growth that's a lot harder to clean on the waterline. So when you do plan on getting your next paint job, definitely request that you go at least 2 inches above the waterline, just to where we have ablative protecting this area, because this is really hard to clean, and if we use any of our more harder or abrasive tools, it could damage your boat. So we don't want to do that. So this was all scrub pad. And that's the worst side of your boat. That's where the sun's going to get the most time. On this side, this was all still scrub. Everything below the water, we went over this waterline twice. We went with a scraper for everything below the bootstrap, and then we went with a scrubber all over here. And this is the part that doesn't actually get direct sunlight, and it was still pretty bad. So again, in about a week and a half, you will definitely see more growth as the summer months come. There will be a lot more growth a lot quicker. And the next video will be of your bottom.